Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to Medicine Info, your trusted channel where we provide the most accurate and detailed information about medicines. In today's video, we will be discussing Black Cobra Tablet, a popular performance enhancing supplement known for its potential benefits in improving stamina, energy levels, and overall vitality. If you're someone who's been looking for a solution to improve your energy and performance, this video is for you. What is Black Cobra Tablet? Black Cobra Tablet is a powerful dietary supplement designed to boost energy, stamina, and physical performance. It is primarily marketed for men who want to enhance their libido, strength, and energy during physical activities, particularly sexual health. The tablet is often used by those seeking to improve their workout performance and energy levels, as well as individuals dealing with temporary sexual dysfunction. Key ingredients in Black Cobra Tablet. The tablet contains a blend of natural ingredients, including ginseng, maca root, and L-arginine. These ingredients are known for their role in boosting circulation, enhancing endurance, and supporting overall vitality. Ginseng helps improve physical performance and stamina. Maca root is famous for its ability to increase energy, libido, and improve mood. L-arginine is an amino acid that improves blood flow and contributes to muscle strength. How does Black Cobra Tablet work? Black Cobra Tablet works by increasing blood flow to vital areas of the body, improving circulation and energy levels. It helps enhance physical stamina, giving you the boost you need during exercise or intimate moments. The combination of ingredients in this tablet targets performance, allowing users to experience heightened energy, improved endurance, and a sense of vitality. Who should use Black Cobra Tablet? Black Cobra Tablet is ideal for adult men who want to improve their energy, strength, and physical performance. It is also commonly used by individuals dealing with low libido, sexual performance issues, or those who feel fatigued and drained. However, it's important to consult a healthcare professional before using the tablet, especially if you have underlying health conditions such as heart disease, diabetes, or high blood pressure. How to use Black Cobra Tablet. The recommended dosage of Black Cobra Tablet is 1 tablet per day, preferably after a meal. It is best to follow the usage instructions on the packaging to avoid any potential side effects. For best results, it is important to combine the use of Black Cobra Tablet with a healthy lifestyle, including regular exercise and a balanced diet. Side effects of Black Cobra Tablet. Although Black Cobra Tablet is generally safe for most users, some individuals may experience side effects. Possible side effects include headaches, dizziness, upset stomach, or an increase in blood pressure. If you experience any severe symptoms like chest pain, shortness of breath, or a persistent headache, it is advised to stop using the product and consult a doctor immediately. Precautions. Do not exceed the recommended dosage. If you are on any medication or have health concerns, consult your doctor before using Black Cobra Tablet. Avoid using the tablet if you have a history of heart disease, high blood pressure, or other cardiovascular issues. Conclusion. In conclusion, Black Cobra Tablet is a powerful supplement that can help improve physical performance, stamina, and overall vitality. While it is effective for many people, it is important to use it responsibly and in combination with a healthy lifestyle. If you're looking for an energy boost or to enhance your physical performance, this tablet might be worth considering. Thank you for watching this detailed review of Black Cobra Tablet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Medicine Info for more reviews and health-related information. Stay healthy and see you in the